Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. Especially I took some notes for these videos because I've learned my lesson the last couple months. I've made a tons of mistakes that could have been avoided, and I feel like this video could help a lot of people that are at the same stage as me, like profitable yet but not founded. And I just wanted to share the mistakes I'm avoiding to trade right now, because I've written down all my mistakes so I don't keep repeating them. The most important lesson that I've learned for myself is journaling my trades. I haven't done it the first, I would say, year or two I was trading, but also then I wasn't really focused that much and disciplined in trading, because I've realized when I don't take notes about my trade and journal them, I won't get better and improve myself with trading. Because it's like in the gym, you need to know which weights you took last time so you can improve. The same thing with trading. So for me, my biggest lesson was the lack of discipline in my life will automatically decide whether I'm gonna be good at trading or not for this month. Because I've realized if I don't hit the gym, if I don't improve myself with self-improvement videos or something like that, I won't improve at all in trading. You can't expect from yourself to be a profitable trader but not be disciplined in any other areas of your life. So I've written down some mistakes I want to avoid for the next months I'm trading, and also I'm currently in my challenge and so close to finish it. So my goal for this year was also to have a 400 account by half of the year. So we're almost done with one, with the 10k challenge. My next will be the 50k challenge, because from all the YouTube videos I've seen, I realized actually I should make a video about prop firm trading and how I've done it. So let's skip that part. But what I've realized is you don't want to have like big amounts. Instead, invest in 50k challenges, because then you can spread. Automatically it will be so much easier for yourself. The more trading capital you have, the more pressure is on you to actually perform. So let's start with the things I want to avoid. So I want to avoid the first thing. I will never take entries that are already missed, because most people don't understand, but this is very psychologically, because you get FOMO. You get the fear of missing out. You get the fear of making the next 3%. Instead, if you go into a trade and it's already 50% in profit, your risk to reward ratio is so much worse. So you're either going to make like 1 to 2% profit, or you're going to risk much more than you actually planned on risking. And this is exactly what happened to me this week. What I've realized, I could have been profitable for this week if I didn't took a trade that was already too late to enter. And I realized second thing is 1 to 2 good trades a week is enough. I don't know who thinks that you need to go to the chart every single day in the morning to make profits, because it's not like that. Just take the best setups during the week, and it can also be 1 to 3 setups a week, and that is simply enough. Because in my strategy, I'm going to make like 3%. How much will that be? That would be for 2 to 3 trades a week. That is already 6 to 9% I'm making with those trades. And I'm saying 3% a week is more than enough, because you don't want to go for 10% a week. Why? Because most likely next month you won't hit that 10 month again. So it's most likely to work out if you take a fewer number, a smaller number that you can consistently achieve every single month or every single week. Never take 2 trades at the same day. So for me, I'm intraday trader. There was an example, someone on YouTube taught me, like imagine you had, for every trade you take a week, you have coins. You would exchange. And would you actually exchange 2 coins a day if you only had 3 for the week at the same time? I don't think so. So spread your risk. So don't take more than 1 trade a day, because it will most likely not go like you want it to go. I want to make decisions that are the least risk that I can take. And I've realized when I take 2 trades a day, that's already 2% that I can lose within 1 day. And I've set my limit. When I've took a loss in a week, I'm stopping trading. I'm stopping trading. Whatever I just made loss, I made a little profit and then the loss, it doesn't matter. If I get a stop loss, I don't trade anymore for that week. So the next thing would be, I only take high quality setups. Because why do you think? For me too, I was like that too. I just wanted to take every setup in the market. But trust me, if you focus, most likely to going to work out more in your favor than you ever think. Second thing is, don't stare at the chart the whole day, because you will go insane. Set an alert for your entry and for break even. So normally when I see a setup, I don't want to be looking at the chart for the next 3 hours to set a trade. No. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do instead is we're going to set an alert for our entry. When our alert rings, that's when we know, okay, we're going to enter this trade. The next alert I'm setting is 50% in profit. That's when my next alert goes on and I know, okay, the market is working in my favor and now I can go 50% break even. It turns around, I still have 50% of my profit saved. If the market goes in my favor, that's very good, and take profit will hit fully. For me, I will never trade on Fridays. Why would you think? Because my trading strategy is going to take some hours to close the trade. So the likelihood to trade on a Friday and the trade to close is so tiny that I just completely stopped trading on Fridays. Also, I don't want to hold my trades over the weekend. I've done my experience with that. It wasn't good, okay? I never enter a trade when I feel insecure. Why would you think? Because deep down, you know there's something that is not aligning with your trading plan and you're still going to enter. But it is when you feel insecure to enter the trade, don't enter the trade. Because most of the time, I've realized if I'm insecure, not sure about the trade, it will most likely go into the stop loss. And this is something I've learned for myself too. So the second thing is set and go on with your daily life. Because I've tried out different trading strategies, and for especially scalping, it was the worst for me because I looked at the chart for straight 3 hours to make my profits, and it's not sustainable for the next few years to do that for me. So actually, when I set the trade, like I said before, I do my alerts so I can save some time, some screen time on my chart too. And usually also I wanted to mention I do my alerts on TradingView. I can show you after how you do that. So guys, I hope you can see the chart. So I just wanted to show you how you can set an alert on TradingView. For example, if you want this level here, 96,000, you click on it here on the right. You go to add an alarm, and up here you can then change the price to where the alarm is, change the pair, everything, and you can even put the message that it will send you, and the message, if it's a push message, if it's an email, if it's an SMS, and so on. You can adjust everything in here, and this is like a lifesaver for traders. So I usually do emails because then it pops up on my screen on my phone, and it's the best. So I hope this helps. If you have any question, comment them down below. Also, don't forget you have a life around trading. If your trade goes into stop loss, go on with your life. It's not that deep. It's just a loss. If you're a profitable trader, you know you can make that loss back, or you can be break even next time you trade. But don't let that define who you are as a trader. And I really struggle with that still a lot. Most people start it for the money, but let me tell you, after 3 years I've been trading, I can tell you money's been always my motivation, but it changed because I know money is not going to make me happy. What will is the freedom that comes with it. So stop focusing on losses. Stop focusing on wins. Detach yourself from the screen and from the profits you made. Just because you made your wage within some minutes doesn't mean you're a better person than you used to be before. It just means you improved your skills, and it took you years or months to learn that. That's why you deserve it. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. I love to do those videos because I'm looking back at my journey and thinking of what could have helped me. So this is actually my motivation why I'm doing those videos, to help you guys. If you're just starting out, or if you're already profitable yet, to improve your journey and to learn from my mistakes, because I've had so many months making the same mistakes, and I didn't watch YouTube videos back then because I quite thought, well, why would someone give me free information? But it's not just only about trading, it's the psychological aspect as well. And a lot of people forget it, because I feel like the last few months that I've made the most profit, I haven't improved in my training styles. I have improved in my mental game. That was the game changer for myself, and I hope you took something from this video. I hope to see you soon. Bye.